Most new traders usually trade with emotions, and this usually costs them a lot. Okay, so and the reason is most of them don't really have the right knowledge of what they want to do in the market. They only grab a few things and feel that they can easily double their money once they go into the market, and at the end of the day they keep on losing their money over and over and over. And the reason is they feel that they've gotten the right knowledge, and once they go into the market to trade on their real account, they start applying or adding emotions to their trades. Okay, but the beautiful truth is, okay, these also affect those that feel that they are pro in the industry. The only way you can get out of this is if you have a good strategy that works for you, and of course you have a proper guideline which you need to follow from the beginning to the very end. That is when you can stay clear of this. So we will be checking out some of these things in this video so that you will know how to go about it and how you can get the best out of it. And we will be using real charts, okay, a real charts, okay, which you can also check from your site so that you will understand how it works. I will show you the exact strategy which I am also using. I've been using this same strategy for over a year. Like they say, consistency matters. Okay, this has actually been delivering for me year in, year out, and I'm really happy about this strategy. So before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Most especially if you want to know more about my trading tools, you send message to me directly through WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I have said, if you want to be a successful trader, you need to kill your emotion. I did a video about that yesterday. You killing your emotion whenever you are trading. Okay, if you missed that video, I will advise you to go back there and watch it right now. Okay, and how do you kill your emotion easily? That is by having a strategy that works for you. Before a strategy will work for you, you must have learned it. You must have practiced with the strategy. You practice till you are able to perfect it, and of course right from there you can now go to your real account. But make sure you have a good make sure you always have a good risk management system in place so that you can always get the best out of it. That is the beautiful part of it. For instance, this is the strategy which I have been using myself and my team, and it is called trend trading strategy. Okay, for the trend trading strategy, it helps you to trade a particular trend for a very long time. This is how it happens. Okay, sometimes you will just see the market going in one direction for hours. Sometimes it will go for days. Sometimes it will even go for weeks, going in one direction like that for some time before it will have a major turn around. Okay, so that's time that it is going in one direction, it is a period for you to milk the market around there. And this is how I came across it. Okay, for instance, this had been on uptrend and it got to this resistance zone. Like I always tell people, okay, when the market get to the resistance zone or the support zone, there are two things that can happen from there. Okay, it is either there is a breakout from there. If it is a breakout from the resistance zone, it means that it will keep on buying. If it is a breakout from the support zone, it means that it will keep on selling. Okay, or probably there is a switch in the direction of the trend. If there is a switch from the resistance zone, it means it will switch from an uptrend into a downtrend. If there is a switch from the support zone, it means that it will switch from a downtrend into an uptrend, just the way you are saying it on my charts right now. Now let's see a few things right here. I remember very well I gave you a signal on this particular trade 3 days ago. 3 days ago I gave you a signal on this particular trade. This happened to be our entry point. Like I said in my last video on this particular chart, I said those that are having this indicator should have come in around here and place their stop loss here. This is their order. Okay, this our entry point will have been their first TP. Okay, because this is on 15-minute time frame. But those that are not having the trading tool, that had to wait for my signals on the Telegram channel. This is where they came in. Okay, because I dropped the signal in the Telegram channel after giving us the info about it in my video. And TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, TP4 achieved. Okay, let me quickly tell you this. I picked up this signal because I knew that this was on downtrend before. Remember, we milked this particular trend also, and it came down to this support zone. And of course, I noticed that it was finding difficult to break out from there. So it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend at this point. Okay, how do I know that it has switched? Okay, the downtrend is always having this red color. I'm using my custom made indicator, so the downtrend is always having this red color according to my indicator. Okay, it is a custom made indicator. It will not look like that on your chart except if you are having this indicator, and that is the beautiful part of the indicator. And of course, guys, after getting to the support zone, it played around there for a while before switching into an uptrend, and it gave us an uptrend, a buy signal at this spot. So that is why I said this is where you should have come in. If you had come in here, all you just need to do is just to place your stop loss somewhere here or a little bit below the support region, and of course you swing into it. Okay, you allow it to play out, and just the way it has done, it played out. If it is not going to go in our direction, it will get to our stop loss and we'll only lose a little amount of money, probably $5 out of the capital we are having, depending on the lot size we are using. It might not even be up to $5. Okay, I'm just using that as an example, but you can see that the risk ratio is so minimal to what we will achieve at the end of the day. So check it out. Check out what we ended up with. Okay, this actually achieved the first TP, second TP, third TP, fourth TP, and it had a major pullback after that 4 TP. And I came back to analyze the market again. I said, if it breaks out from here, then definitely it's going to sell more and be getting to the stop loss. However, we've already achieved 4 TPs in a row already before the major pullback. Okay, so that is not an issue for us if it pulls back, but if it's unable to break out from here, then it will go back up again. And I told you, for those of you that missed the signal, watch out for that. Immediately it happens, go back and set up your trade and pick up all these signals and achieve it. And for those of you who didn't miss the signal, it will be an opportunity for you to make more and also achieve TP5. And check it out, it achieved TP5. Okay, you guys might be thinking or wondering how I am able to do this easily. It is very easy. Whenever a trade is approaching a resistance zone or support zone, there are only 2 things that can happen from there. It's either there is a breakout or a switch in direction of the trend. Okay, and of course, guys, once it got to the support zone, a major support zone, and it has not been able to break out from there, there was a switch. It's changed from this red to this yellow color. My indicator is even making it very easy for me. Okay, I don't need to keep on cracking my brain just to understand the chart. With my indicator, I can easily figure it out. Okay, so what do I need to do? Just place my trade, set my stop loss, because I am not saying that my indicator is also 100% perfect. There is nothing that is 100% perfect, and I'm bold to say that. Okay, so my indicator is not also 100% perfect because it is not the one that will control the market totally. It will only analyze the market based on what the market is bringing. Okay, so it has analyzed the market. It has not been able to break out from here, which is normal. And of course, since it is not able, since it's unable to break out from here, then it's switching to an uptrend. Of course, it has switched into an uptrend, gave me a buy signal. So what do I need to do? It is my own to follow the instruction, to follow the information the indicator is giving to me. It has given me an uptrend. It has given me a buy signal, even more buy signal at this point. And of course, I place my buy signal. And of course, it is also my responsibility to secure my capital, because it is my hard-earned money. So I am also securing my capital by setting up a stop loss. And of course, it is also my responsibility to to close some trades in profit. TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, and TP4 achieved. Only the fifth TP didn't get achieved at the beginning. Before this major pullback happened, okay? And after the major pullback, it went back up and even gave us more opportunity to follow the journey back to the top and even make more profit if we want to, okay? And for those that actually missed the signal, I came back to update you guys to tell you that this is an opportunity for you to milk the market to the top again. And of course, we all milked it and we got to the last TP, which was achieved also. This has gotten to this region, and right now it is at the resistance zone, and of course it was unable to break out from there. And what happened again? It switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, and you can see it crashing. If you had come in at this spot, you would have been in profit right now. That is the beauty of it, okay? This is why it is called trend trading strategy. You only need to follow the trend and you will make whatever you want to make from it. You do this on daily basis and your trading activities will definitely improve. You will move from losing your money to making more money whenever you are trading, okay? And that is the beauty of it, okay? So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question, you can drop your question for me down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply. If you want to know more about my trading tool, okay, I will advise you to reach out to me via WhatsApp. It's faster that way, and I will be able to reach out to you with that, okay? So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? And do not forget to subscribe to the Telegram channel too. The link will be there in the description box, and you can check the pinned down message for the link also. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.